Dear students, there are three textbook questions. Number one, why does a block of plastic released underwater come up to the surface? It is question number 2, page number 77. At the same page, there are two other questions. That is question number 3 and question number 4. At the same, that is 77. These are based on some calculations. Volume of 50 gram of substance is 20 cubic centimeter. If density of water is 1 gram cubic centimeter, will the substance float or sink? It's question number 3, and this was 2. And the next question is volume of 500 gram syrup packet is 350 centimeters cubic centimeter. Will the packet float or sink if the density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter? What will be the mass of the water displaced by it? This is question number 4 at page 77. Now let's come to the first question. That is, why does a block of plastic come up when released underwater? Right? There are two forces acting on the object when immersed in water. Two forces. Number 1. Force of gravity. Downwards. Number 2. Buoyancy or buoyant force. In upward direction. It's quite simple. I have already told you that if the density of the material underwater is less than water, then it will float. If the density of the object underwater is more than water, then it will sink. It's quite simple, because force of gravity pushes it downwards, whereas buoyant force pushes it upwards. The object will sink if force of gravity is more than buoyant force. The object will float if buoyant force is more than force of gravity. It depends upon the nature of the material. Now the material here is plastic. The density of the block is less than the density of the liquid, that's water. So it floats on the surface of water. This is because the buoyant force acting on the object is greater than the force of gravity. Then this buoyant force is greater than force of gravity. That is why it floats on the water. Number 2 question. Volume of 50 gram of substance is 20 centimeter cubic centimeter. If density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter, will the substance float or sink? It's question number 3 at page 77. Let's solve it. If the density of object is more than the density of liquid, then it sinks in the liquid. On the other hand, if the density of the object is less than the density of liquid, then it floats on the surface of water. This is a universal law. So let us try to find out the density. Here the density of the substance is mass of substance divided by volume of the substance. Volume of the substance. That is equal to mass of the substance is 500 grams. Sorry, it is 50 grams. It is 50 here, not 500. 50 grams divided by volume of substance, that is 20 centimeter, 20 cubic centimeter. Quite simple. Chinese 2.5 gram cubic centimeter. Now the density of this substance is 2.5, whereas that of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter. Thus, the density of substance is greater than density of water, therefore it will sink. Therefore, the substance, or the, what is this here? It is the substance. Now name is not mentioned here, so we say substance will sink simply. Substance will sink. Why? Because its density is more than the density of water. Clear? Now question number 3. Volume of 500 gram sealed packet is 350 cubic centimeter. Will the packet float or sink if the density of water is 1 gram per cubic centimeter? What will be the mass of the water displaced by it also? Here, density of 500 gram sealed packet. Density of 500 gram sealed packet is equal to sealed packet is equal to mass of packet divided by volume of packet. Mass divided by volume. Mass is equal to here 500 divided by volume is 350. So it is 1.428 grams per cubic centimeter, which is more than 1 gram. Therefore, the sealed packet will sink. Sealed packet will sink. H. Mass of water displaced by packet is equal to volume of sealed packet. Volume of sealed packet, that is 350 grams. That is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.